Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to talk about something that I recently learned and I think is super important. So what I recently learned is that people who follow crowds don't succeed or become really mediocre. So what I realized is that if someone is running away from a street that you're going down, just by your human instincts and the way we've been taught, you're automatically wanting to run with them. You have no idea what's happening over there, but you're just running away with the crowd. Just like if everyone's running towards something, just by your instincts, you're gonna just want to tag along and run towards with them, even though you have no idea what they're running towards. And these type of people tend not to succeed. And the reason is because when you do something that everyone else is doing, it's saturated. For example, back in the olden days when people were mining gold, the people who ran to where the gold was only got like the remaining scraps of that area's gold. Whereas the people that were traveling to many different spots that nobody was at and they were looking for gold, and once they found a gold mine and they were able to basically get all the riches of that gold mine before people started hearing the news and coming, they were the one who succeeded. The one who literally went nowhere people were going. And that's similar to like dropshipping. The people who thought of the dropshipping model and got into dropshipping first, they were able to kill it and make millions and millions. And all the people who came over the past few years to just jump on that trend literally made a decent amount of money or literally just failed and made nothing. And I was able to make a decent amount of money, but I was at the sort of dip of the trend. Just like the free plus shipping model, the person who started that made tons and tons, but every single person that came afterwards, the results just came less and less and less. The more people that flock to something, the worse and less return there's gonna be. And that's something I had to learn the hard way. So on my journey right now, I'm trying to do something that no one else has done. I don't want to look at what the market is doing and follow what they're doing. So I don't want to be doing daily vlogs. I don't want to be posting videos on drop shipping. I don't want to be creating how to invest $1,000 videos. I want to be doing something completely different, documenting my journey, documenting things I learned, and as well as creating real life videos of me in the grind and doing the work and me just recording that and being like, yo, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And here it is. I'm not going to charge you for it. That's sort of what I'm doing. I want to do something that no one ever has done before. And that's sort of the mentality I've taken on for all these new things I'm trying out. I want to be trying brand new, innovating things. But yeah, that's sort of the lesson I recently learned about people who follow the crowds don't succeed. But they get a small amount of success. And people who innovate are the ones who truly do succeed. Don't get me wrong. I needed to follow the crowd when it came to dropshipping, entrepreneurship, to get me where I was. But for me to go to the next level and get to that high echelon, break through the clouds, I'm gonna have to start innovating. So I'm not saying that don't follow what works, don't model after success, because that still works. And remember, if you model after success, not many people do. So you're still sort of innovating. Yes, that person who achieved that has already achieved and reaped most of the rewards, but you're able to get the second tier results. When everyone jumped onto dropshipping, they were literally getting the 100th tier results. Like dropshipping was getting really saturated. So modeling after success is something that not many people do, and if you're able to do well, you'll be able to still get second tier results. But obviously I'm gunning for the first tier results, so every day I'm innovating, trying new things, and I'm bringing you guys along to the journey. I'm literally wanting to give everything away because I think that YouTube is definitely having a lack of quality content, and that's sort of what I'm looking to provide. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to leave a like below. If you're looking for someone to help you on your entrepreneurial journey, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.